believe in the power of the QR code.
Just like that, a revolution began, turning the ordinary into something extraordinary. From nothing to legend, this is just the beginning.
But remember, with greatness comes responsibility. Stay true to the oath. Care for the earth.
And now, let's celebrate the new era of paper cups.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me today at the International Conference on Business and Entrepreneurship Development 2025. I'm excited to share a simple but powerful idea: how a humble paper cup can evolve into a high-value, digitally connected product. Let's start with the big picture. The global paper cup market is massive, currently valued at over $10 billion and projected to reach $13.5 billion by 2030. We consume more than 500 billion disposable cups every year, fueled by fast-paced lifestyles and an ever-growing global coffee culture. At the same time, regulatory shifts, like India's plastic ban, are pushing industries away from plastic and towards sustainable alternatives. That's creating a major tailwind for paper-based solutions. Now factor in digital printing, a $30 billion industry on its own. This technology unlocks cost-effective, small-batch, on-demand customization, taking a plain paper cup and turning it into a personalized, brand-forward asset. So the question is no longer, how can we innovate, but rather, how can we afford not to? We're not just printing anymore, we're digitizing an entire industry. From a marketing lens, the paper cup is an untapped canvas. With customizable design and short-run digital printing, businesses can now produce regionally tailored, campaign-specific cups that act like mobile billboards. It's targeted advertising, in hand, not on a screen. But in today's digital age, static packaging is a missed opportunity. This is where QR codes are transforming the game. QR code usage has surged by over 400% in just 2 years because it turns passive packaging into interactive media. A logo just sits there, but a QR code says, click, scan, engage. Smart brands are already ahead. Take Starbucks, for example. They use QR codes to connect customers to rewards, exclusive content, and personalized offers. And here's the real power. QR-enabled campaigns see engagement rates of 30 to 40%, compared to just 1 to 2% with traditional print or digital ads. Every scan is not just a touch point, it's real-time marketing intelligence, feeding you data, feedback loops, and customer insights traditional packaging could never provide. So this isn't just branding, it's brand storytelling, and the cup is now part of the narrative. Operationally, this approach isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap forward. Traditional cup printing is rigid, locked into fixed plates, costly changeovers, and unnecessary waste. But with digital printing, you gain flexibility. Designs and QR codes can be changed instantly. You can print in small batches, reduce overstock, and minimize waste. It's agile manufacturing at the speed of market demand. QR codes replace bulky paper inserts, flyers, or seasonal packaging, cutting down on cost, materials, and logistics complexity. This directly supports sustainability goals while simplifying production workflows. But here's where it gets even smarter. Every cup can carry a unique code, and every scan becomes a data point, feeding real-time insights back to your systems. You're not just sending information out, you're pulling valuable data in. Need to tweak a campaign or update an offer? No problem. With dynamic QR codes, your message updates in real time. No reprints, no delays. This isn't just operational efficiency, it's a shift toward intelligent packaging, where sustainability, speed, and strategic insight come together. Now, let's talk numbers, because this strategy makes financial sense. Yes, QR-enabled cups come with a slightly higher unit cost, but digital printing has evolved. It's now cost-efficient even for small and mid-sized runs, with no setup plates and minimal waste. You only print what you need when you need it. And here's the smarter play. These cups are already in circulation. You're already paying for them, so why not make them work harder? With QR integration, a single cup can now drive app downloads, trigger loyalty programs, upsell products, and gather performance data, all from a product you are already producing. This transforms a static cost center into a dynamic performance channel. More importantly, personalized packaging delivers measurable ROI. You can track scans, refine messaging, and optimize campaigns based on real user behavior, not guesswork. It's no longer just about cutting cost. It's about turning everyday touch points into tools for acquisition, engagement, and long-term value growth. This isn't an expense, it's a strategic investment in marketing intelligence and scalable revenue. In closing, the paper cup is no longer just a vessel, it's a channel, a brand touchpoint, a conversation starter. By integrating QR codes, leveraging digital printing, and embracing smart branding, paper cup producers can deliver more value, more insight, and more impact, while supporting sustainability and operational excellence. This is how we transform cups into connections. Thank you.